Hello students, today we are going to discuss chapter 2, that is kingdom classification of class 7th biology. Okay, so students, already we have gone through this in the class also, that Carolus Linnaeus, he divided all the living organisms into two kingdoms. Okay, one is kingdom Plantae and the other is kingdom Animalia. Okay, so this was also known as plant kingdom and animal kingdom. So for some time this system was valid, but later on some drawbacks were seen in this system. Okay, and there was a need to modify this classification system. Okay, so why these drawbacks arise? It was arise due to discovery of organisms such as Euglena and viruses. So ये यूग्लिना और वायरस की जैसी डिस्कवरी हुई तो ये जो कैरोलस लीनियस का क्लासिफिकेशन सिस्टम था ये क्या हो गया, गड़बड़ा गया. ओके, बिकॉज दिस यूग्लिना एंड वायरसेस they cannot be put into any of the kingdom. Okay, so other drawback was that the bacteria and the fungi, they were placed in kingdom Plantae. जो बैक्टीरिया और फंजाई था उनको क्या किया हुआ था, प्लांट किंगडम में रखा हुआ था. ओके, बट these fungi and bacteria, they possesses some of the characteristics of the kingdom Animalia. Okay, so finally in the year 1969, Robert Whittaker, it is the name of scientist. Okay, in 1969 Robert Whittaker introduced 5 kingdom classification system. Okay, so basically the 5 kingdom classification system, it is based on different characters which are given here. First is body organization. Okay, whether the body is unicellular or multicellular. Second is cell structure, that is whether the cell they are prokaryotes or eukaryotes. Presence or absence of cell wall. Okay, mode of nutrition and phylogenetic relationship between organisms. So what are these characters? See, body organization, unicellular or multicellular, means whether the body is made up of one cell or the body is made up of many cells. Okay, second is whether the cell is having well defined nucleus or they are not having well defined nucleus. Okay, prokaryotes are those which do not have well defined nucleus. Okay, and eukaryotes are those which have well defined nucleus. Third character was whether the cell was containing cell wall. So in case of animal, the cell wall basically it remains absent, and in case of plant the cell wall is present. Mode of nutrition, okay, whether they are able to make their food by themselves, that is autotrophic, or whether they depend on another for food. Okay, that is heterotrophic, or maybe the organisms may be both, they are having both mode of nutrition. Then phylogenetic relationship between organisms, how they are interlinked genetically. Okay, so the 5 kingdoms which was proposed by R.H. Whittaker in 1969 are as follows. First is kingdom Monera, second is kingdom Protista, third is kingdom Fungi, then fourth is kingdom Animalia, and fifth is kingdom Plantae. Okay, so these are the 5 kingdom classification system which was proposed by Robert Whittaker. Okay, so we will discuss them one by one.